I'm going to assume that you've got a calculator during this unit, but it's good not to be lazy and to actually understand what a percentage is, okay? So this symbol here, we all know means percent, but what we might not have thought about is what that actually means, okay? And we know that per means of, okay? But cent means 100, okay? There are 100 cents in a dollar, there's 100 years in a century, okay? So cent is 100. So if it's 15%, it means 15 per 100, okay? Or 15 of 100. So if you need to work out a percentage, you can put into your calculator 15 over 100 or 15 divided by 100. Remember, they mean the same thing. And your calculator will then spit out for you what it is as a decimal, which in this case would be 0.15. But that's not what question one's asking for, okay? It's asking for it to be in its simplest form. So our job's to come through in this case, and we'll divide top and bottom by 5 and simplify the fraction to 3 over 20.